So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
I was just acting like a T-Rex. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm not a T-Rex, but I think you and I should draw a T-Rex together. Whoa! T-Rexes are so cool. They lived such a long time ago, and they're so fierce. All right, to draw a T-Rex, I'm gonna take this purple marker and draw the start of a rectangle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Then I'm gonna draw the start of a triangle. There we go. And I won't complete that either. And that's the tail and that's the head. Then we need to draw the leg and the foot with some curved lines. There we go. Whoa! Then connect that. And now we need 2 little arms. So cute. One right there and one right there. Oh, that's okay. There we go. And 2 claws on each arm. Now let's draw a circle for the eye and a smiley face. And let's draw some spikes down its back. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Rawr, rawr.
You're right, Debo. It would be fun to have a dinosaur as a pet. I wonder, would a dinosaur make a good pet? Good thinking. We'll go back in time to find out. I'm gonna need the grabber arm and monster truck wheels.
Grabber arm, monster truck wheels, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. That's right, we're in the Cretaceous period, millions of years ago when the Earth was filled with dinosaurs! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi there, Blippi. I'm Tina, the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hi, Tina. We were wondering, would a dinosaur make a good pet? An animal that you love and care for.
Wow, being a pet sounds amazing. Maybe I could be your pet for the day.
Can you drop Debo, please? Debo's made of metal, and we don't want you to break a tooth. Good, Dino.
We sure do have sharp teeth. I use mine to eat.
Whoa, do you eat a lot? Feeding is an important part of having a pet.
I can bite off 500 pounds of food in one chomp.
That's a lot more than I have here. Let's try a trick. Great idea, Debo. Ugh. Go fetch, Tina. Whoa!
Whoopsies. Sometimes I forget my size. Us T-Rexes can be as tall as 12 feet high and up to 40 feet long.
Wow, that's so big. Hey, let's go for a walk, Tina. Whoa! Look at all of those teeth! Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Whoa!
Something tells me that's not how a walk is supposed to go.
We gave it a try, but I'm not sure if dinosaurs are meant to be pets.
I think you're right. We're meant to rule the jungle.
Yep, and you helped find the answer to my question. Would a dinosaur make a good pet? Dinosaurs are big, have lots of teeth, need room to roam, and eat a lot. So they might not be good pets, but it's still fun to imagine. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Tina.
Bye. Come back in time. Anytime.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a stegosaurus. All right, to draw a stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa! Can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right. That was so much fun drawing the stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Wow! Tignan mo yun! Nakakamangha ang laki ng mga dinosaur! Tama ka, Debo! May mas malalaking dinosaur pa kaysa sa T-Rex! Sa palagay mo, ano kaya ang pinakamalaking dinosaur? Magandang ideya yan, Debo! Makakabalik tayo sa nakaraan para hanapin ang pinakamalaking dinosaur. Kailangan ko ng mga backpack at extendo legs.
Mga backpack, extendo legs, kumpirmado.
I-activate ang Blippi Station. Bumalik sa nakaraan! Handa na ang Blippi Mobile para sa paglalakbay! Sige. Nasaan ang pinakamalaking dinosaur? Wow! Gumagalaw ang bato! Hindi pala tayo nakaupo sa bato! Nasa likod pala tayo ng napakalaking dinosaur! Hi! Ako si Blippi at ito naman si Debo!
Hi, Blippi at Debo. Ako si Angie, ang Argentinosaurus.
Wow! Ang lupit na pangalan nun para sa malaking dino! Kailangan ko yung isa-isahin para masabi ko ng tama. R-Gen-T-O-S-A-U-R-U-S.
Ako yon. So, makikipagkita nga pala ako sa isang kaibigan. Gusto mo bang sumama?
Salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin. Gusto mo ba magkarera tayo? Ang bilis mo siguro tumakbo.
Ang totoo, mabagal akong maglakad. Dahil sadyang napakalaki ko. At kailangan ko din kumain maya't maya para may enerhiya ako. Kumakain ako ng ilang daang kilong halaman araw-araw.
Oh? Gusto mo ng selfie kasama ang buong katawan ni Angie? Imposible yata yan, Debo! Wow! Ang haba mo naman!
Humigit kumulang 103 talampakan ang haba ko at 40 talampakan ang taas ko.
Kasing haba yun ng 3 school bus! At mas mataas ng bahagya sa poste ng telepono!
Ang sarap! Aakyat na tayo sa burol! Ako ang magiging tulay nyo!
Wow!
Nakakakiliti!
Yeah!
Dito ako makikipagkita sa kaibigan ko. Uy, ang ganda ng kuha mo, Debo! Nakuhanan tayong dalawa! Ay, tingnan mo, pati ang kaibigan ko! Pasensya na, nahuli ako. Uy, ito ang matalik kong kaibigan, si Nina. Mina, ito si Blippi at si Dibo. Hinahanap nila ang pinakamalaking dinosaur. Madali lang yan. Ikaw ang pinakamalaking dinosaur dito, Angie. Ay, at mukhang ako nga.
Ang astig! At nasagot na ang tanong ko. Ano ang pinakamalaking dinosaur? Isa sa pinakamalalaking dinosaur ang Argentinosaurus. May haba itong 130 talampakan at buong araw itong kumakain ng halaman. I-upload ang sagot, Dibo. Paalam sa'yo, Argentina!
Paalam, Blippi. Paalam, Blippi.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi!